Hi, welcome guys. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Here, the question number 1 to 6 that we are discussing here from the assignments of physical education and the yoga. So that you can see in this paper, there are total 6 questions from 1 to 6, and in this one you need to write not each and every. You have a given two options in each questions. You have to write only one questions from each questions, and for 1 to 3 you need to write in the 40 to 60 words, 4 and the fifth in the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 which you need to write in the 500 words. So if you need answers of these questions paper, so we are here for help you. We can provide you the solution, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video, and thank you so much.